Hi guys, good day. Welcome to this mathematics lesson. So we're going to be going live this morning. Also, I was unable to solve question on a December base before, but we shall be continue with topic. So if you're not joining us, we're just watching a video, or just join our live. Do it to like and share with a friend. Give a like and subscribe. So if you'd like to join our WhatsApp group, you can let me know in the comment section. So we are still under this topic called number-based system. This is one of very important topic because it's the first topic according to this screen Slabboard that was being released this year for this upcoming examination. So we are enabled to compile like up to 40 plus questions under this number-based system that no matter if you can treat this 40, you can stay to the end of the class. So we can try to master and try to understand all these 40 questions under this number-based system. You are free to go when you're about to write a WAEC examination. You are free to go. You are free to go to continue your WAEC examination because no matter how easy it's question will come out in the number-based system. General escape question under this number-based system are very, very important. So if you're just joining us for any ego, you're just watching us for this moment, you can let me know in the comment section. Let me know where you are. Let's take a later at that before we start the class. Sorry for the distraction. Lots of call just entering my phone rather. So we have the question to solve. I have the photo question for you under this topic. So we are going to be Okay, guys. Uh, so let's try to make some quizzes. I have solved like 2 questions here before, so we shall be continuing with the questions. So this is the previous. So if you check our page, we have been able to treat like 7 questions on this topic for this incoming examination that we have dropped the video how we explain this question one. So we can see the video this question one. You can see the question is if 2n7 2n4 base 7 equal to 15 and base 9 find the value of n. So we have been able to solve this question. Okay, we have been able to solve this question, and I'll drop the video explanatory video in our and check our page. You will see the step by step on how to solve it. So the question 2 also, it's also a very important question that you can find in all the WAEC and JAMB examination. I picked this question from JAMB WAEC examination, but it's almost the same thing. I asked a similar question in JAMB examination. You can see the question 2. The question 2 reads that if all number in the equation are base 2, solve for y. Okay, you can see the step by step we saw it. We have the explanatory video in the comment section. You can check our page. You can see our channel, you see the explanatory video that explains that particular question 2. And also we are also treat question 3. We also take question 3. The question 3 it means that if 2 for base n equal to 232 base 5 find the value of n, you can see this step by step. This one leads to quadratic equation, and we have able to solve it in a previous class. We have to solve it in the previous class. I'm just showing for you guys that are joining us. Yes, I just don't know. That is why I'm showing you guys. So because you have missed some part of this question, that is why I'm showing you, and you can go ahead. To our channel. You can check the video that treat that particular question. So guys, you can get access to it. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And also we have question 4 that we have solved. Let me show you the question 4. Let me share with you the question 4. So this is the question 4 that we are able to solve. Okay, this is under arithmetic number system, and it's called derivation. You see the question is how to divide 1 in base 2 by 101 base 2, and we have explained the step by step and how I solve it. This particular topic is a topic in our system. Many students are finding it very difficult to solve it. Division in our system, many students are finding it very difficult to solve it. So I've given this video explanatory video on how to solve it in a very step by step, very simple way to solve it. I've dropped it on our channel or our Facebook page. But if you need the direct link that leads to the video, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm sure you did, because maybe I just joined also. You can know that we have tweeted a lot of questions so far before you join our live today. Don't worry, so I will urge you to. So if you like this kind of content, if you think that this will help you in this upcoming examination, I would like you to take 1 minute of your time to like, subscribe, and share with your friend. God bless you guys as you do so. And also very important, turn the notification button in case we have live class, or we go live, or we have any brand new explanatory video, mathematics explanatory video, you'll be the first person to be notified, and you can get access to that particular class. So it's very, very important to subscribe and turn the notification button, and you can comment if needed. If you have any question, you can go to the comment section and let me know. Thank you. God bless you as you do so. God bless you. So God bless you. So let's look at the question 5. Let's look at the question 5. In the question 5, see the question 5. See the question is in decimal number. We try to convert decimal number to base. Decimal number to base 10. See the question is to convert 11.011 base 2 to base 10. Now that is the step by step how it's being converted, and that is very simple way you can solve this. If you're writing this incoming examination. So guys, if you miss it, and you'd like to get how you can solve it, you can let me know in the comment section, and direct you to the video that we did in class we have hold, and I'll send you the link in the comment section. So today we are going to be diving into another different question that we have solved before. We are still continuing the question. So say the question 7, the question 6 rather. You have the question 6. The question 6 has the sum of, we have given the number to find the addition of it. To sum it together, that is addition in number based system. This topic, this particular question will also appear the same question. You see, I saw the same question in JAMB and also saw the same question in WAEC examination. Similar question, almost the same question without have any changing. So that is why it's very important. Number based system is both WAEC and WAEC, NEGO, and JAMB question. You can never escape if you write this coming WAEC or JAMB examination. So thank you guys for joining us. Thank you for joining us. So the next one we have that is the 7th question. You see the 7th question. This is the 7th question. It's also addition and subtraction. It's also addition in a number system, but it's different from the question 6. It's very different from the question 6. So those are the questions that we have solved so far under this number based system, because we started the class yesterday. That is where we started the class, and we have been able to solve the 7th question. But in this particular live video, we all normally go live at every class evening around 8 o'clock to 9 p.m. We will go live for that particular range. So if you are always be active, if you want to be active, you can let me know in the comment section. I can add you to our group, to our study group. So the next question we are going to be treating, that will be the question 8. Let me see, maybe I have a space here that we can use to solve the question 8. So the question is, let me write the question 8 out so we can solve it together. Let me take mine right now. So let me type the question 8. I haven't typed it here before. So the question 8 said that we should arrange. Arrange. Okay, arrange. We're given the number. Arrange the following. Arrange the following number. Okay. Arrange the following number in descending. In descending. In descending order. Order of magnitude. Arrange this number in order of magnitude. What are the numbers? Okay, let me take this one out first. Okay, let me increase the size. Let me increase the size to 20. Okay, let me make it 25. Okay, 20 should be enough. Okay, let me 25. Let me make it 25. Okay, and let me bold it. So let me drag it so you guys can see it very well. So what are the numbers now? Let me type the number out. We have the first number we have 2. We have the first number we have that's 2. Okay, it's in base. This 2 is in base 2. Let me say comma. So the second number we have 3, 4. This one is in base 5, but I will write it using pen. It's not by typing. And then we have the third one, that is 2, 1. Okay, we have 2, 1. These are the numbers. So let me try to increase the size to be 25, okay, and let me bold it. Okay, you can see these are the number we have total arranged in descending order. So the first one is 2 in base. This tutu is in base 3. This one is in base 3, and this 3 4 is in base 5. We have base 5, and then this 2 1 is in base 6. We are told to arrange it in ascending order. Now, if this question says if you arrange this particular number in descending order, rather, how do you attempt to solve it? Many of you say that descending order. You know what I mean by descending order? That is the key word you should take note here. That's the key word you should take note here. When you're talking about descending order and ascending order. Okay, but in this question, we're talking about descending order. This is question 8. Take note of that. This is question 8. This is question 8. So this descending order, it means that you arrange from the biggest number to the smallest number. You start from the biggest number to the smallest number. That is the meaning of descending. Okay, if you're given a certain number, for example, if a number is given as you have 10, 2, maybe you have a number like this as example, we have 5, we have 6, we have 3. If you give a number like this and you're told to arrange it in descending order, that means to start from the biggest number to the lowest number to the smallest number. Now if you look at this example this is not a solution, but I'm just used to explain more better for you guys to understand what does it mean by descending order. Now, if you look at this number here, we have 10, we have 2, we have 5, we have 6, we have 3. Now, descending order means that you are arranging from the biggest number to the smallest number. It means that you write the biggest number first before you go to the smallest number. That is the way you that is the meaning of descending order. If you look at it now, this biggest number here is 10, so the first one to be 10 common. Now after 10, what's the biggest number here? We have 6, so that is 6 to be next number, and after 6 we have 5 to be next number, and after 5 the biggest number, that is to be 3, is next number, and the last one to be what? It will be 2. Okay, so let me try to think this spaces now. So the next one, it will be what? It will be 2. This one is 3. Next one to be 2. I get now. So that is the meaning of descending order. That is my descending order. But let's go to this what the business of today. So we are taught to arrange the following in descending order. Many of you may say that. Let me try to wipe this one down now. Many of you may be confusing that, okay, maybe if you want to arrange the same order, this is 34, okay, you got this on 34, you arrange 34, and after 34 is 22 and 21. No, that is not the way you solve it. That is not the way you solve it. You first of all, because this one our number, the base here is for this base. Assuming that all the bases are the same, you can arrange like that. You can say 34 first, and then 22, and say 21, because the bases here are different. As long as the base is the same, then you can arrange like that. But these bases are different. Okay, all these bases are different. Now you have to convert. The first thing to do is to convert it to base 10. Convert all the given base to base 10. It needs to convert this one to base 10 first, and convert this one to base 10, and also convert this one to base 10. Then you will arrange it in the same order. The result you get at this page, the result you get at this page, the result you get at this page, you now arrange it in descending order. Let's dive to that. Let's first deal with this one. That is 22. That is 22 in base 3. Let's convert it to base 10. Now, when you convert to base 10, I said use expansion method in the previous class. So that the third question under this number base system, you convert you use expansion method. You have different way of solving it, but for the sake of this live, I will use one method to explain it to you guys. Just done. Now that will be equal to, you take the first digit, that is 2 multiplied by, okay, 2 multiplied by, so this the base, that is 3, plus you take the next digit, it's also 2 multiplied by the base. I get now Now, after you have expanded, the next thing you have to do is to indicate the index. I get now. The next thing you have to do is to indicate the index. Now, how do you indicate the index? You are indicating the index starting from the right hand side. This is left hand side. This is right hand side. Start from the right hand side, and you indicate you start from the right hand side, and the first number you'll be writing is 0. It will be on top the base, not the number, on top the base. Again, now it will be on top the base. Now, if you look at it now, on the base here is 3. So the first one here is the base value of 0. So the next base is for 1. As long as you have other numbers that base like this, it will be raised to the power of 2, 3, that. Do you get it now? Now, if you multiply this, that is 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1. 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1, that is called what? 2 raised to the power of 1 is 3. You have 3 plus, okay, we have to multiply by this one, 3 raised to the power of 0. Anything at all raised to the power of 0 is that what is 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So it means that we have 1 here. Now let's do the simple mathematics. 2 times 3, that is equal to what? That is 6 plus 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. So when you add it together, 2 plus 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. So you have 8 in base 10. So that means that when you're converting to 2 in base 3, it's equal to what? 8 in base 10. I hope you got that one. So if you understand that part, so before I move to the next one, whereby I share this one, let me know in the comment section before I move to the next part. So let's quickly dive into this second part, that is 3, 4. Okay, that is 3, 4. So let's convert it. This one is base 5. So let's convert 3, 4 in base 5 to base 10. You take the first digits, that is 3 multiplied by the base, that is 5. Okay, this multiply plus, and the next digit, that is 4 multiplied by the base, that is 5. Now, after you have expanded down, next thing is to indicate the index. Okay, is to indicate the index. So when you are indicating the index, starting from the right hand side and start from 0 on top the base. This base is first is 5, that is power of 0. The next one it will be power of 1. So as you see for that one to be 2 like that to the last digit. Now let's solve it. Now let's this one be number mathematics, whereby it's a 5 raised to the power of 1, that is 5. Here we have 3 times 4 times 5. Okay, 3 times 5 plus, and then that is 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1. 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Anything at all raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So here have 1. So let's add it together. 3 times 5, that's equal to what? 15 plus 4 times 1, that is equal to 4. So when you add it together, that will give us 15 plus 4, that is 19. We have 19. So this is base 10. Now that simply means that 3, 4 is equal to 19 in base 3, 4 in base 5 is equal to 19 in base 10. Are we following now? Now let's move to the next part, that is equal to, that is 21. Okay, 2, 1 in base 6. Let's convert it to base 10. Take the first digit, that is 2 multiplied by the base, that is 6. Okay, plus, and then the second digit, that is 1 multiplied by the base, that is what? 6. So after it, now you indicate the index. So on top of the base, that is 0, and this we have 1. Now let's dive to this. This is some more mathematics. 6 raised to the power of 1, that is equal to 6. So we have 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 1. I mean 2 is 2 times 6 plus, and also 1 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So 1. So let's do the simple mathematics here. So let me try to create small space so you can get it more better. So let's multiply it down. That is 6 times 2 times 6. That should be equal to 12. We have 12. Okay, plus 1 times 1, that is 1. So when you add it together, that will give us 12 plus 1, that will give us as 13. So we have 13 in base 10. That simply means that when you have 1 in base 6, it's equal to 13 in base 10. Are you getting that? It will be equal to 13 in base 10. That is just it. I get down is called 13 in base 10. So the next thing we have to do here, let's do the simple mathematics now. We have 3. The first one is 3. 2 is equal to 2 in base 3 is equal to 8 in base 10, and 3 4 in base 5 is equal to 19 in base 10, and 2 1 in base 6 is equal to 13 in base 10. So let's arrange it now in descending order according to the way I explained it here. Starting from the descending, starting from the biggest number to the what? To the smallest number. If you look at it now, 19 is biggest. You have 13, you have 19, you have 8. So 19 is the biggest number. So let's do the first one to what? 19 base 10. Okay, common. Now the next thing after 19 we have 13. So next one to be 13 in base 10, and the last one to be 8 in base 10. Now what produced this 19? Okay, we are converted 3 4 in base 5 to be 19. So this one is to be, that is 3 4, okay, base 5. Come on. So for this 13 base 10, we give a 21, because what gets 13 base 10 is 21 base 6. It's 21 base 6 that will give us 13 base 10. So that means this one is called 21 in base 6. So the last one, but not released, that is 8 base 10. What produces 8? That is when we convert 2 in base 3 is one that gives what? 8 in base 10. So that will be 2 in base what? 3. Now this one gives this, and this one gives this. So that is the solution to this given question, and that is a step-by-step to solve this particular question, and this is the solution. Hope you guys understand the way I break it down in a step-by-step format. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? How simple is this question? Do you have any question before? Do you have any question? If you're just joining us, let me know in the comment section. If you're just joining us, let me know in the comment section. If you're just joining us, let me know in the comment section. And if you've been following the class since we started the live class, let me know in the comment section. This class is for WAEC and JAMB examination. It's for WAEC and JAMB examination. So if you're writing WAEC examination, this class is very, very important for you, because it's one of our predicted questions you should be expecting in this incoming examination. So if you're joining us, let me know in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching, where you're joining us from, your states, and where you're watching our video from. Okay. We'd like to be calling it a day. I'd like to be calling it a day. By 8 p.m. in the evening, let's meet for another interesting mathematics class. That is 1 hour 30 minutes that will be starting today. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Don't forget to give a like to this video and also share with your friends. God bless you, and subscribe. Turn the notification button in case we have any brownie class like this or have live like this. You'll be the first one to find. Thank you. God bless you. And thank you very much for supporting, and thank you very much for being with us. God bless you. So we shall call it a day. Thank you.